This is a review of the Snuggle Blue Sparkle Cuddle Up Fresh dryer sheets that I'm going to be doing a review about. In this review, we're going to explain everything about it. Now, one of the main things I want to explain to you guys about this in general is that you're supposed to be using this for your dryer, not for your washer cleaner. You're supposed to be using this for your dryer. Now, this dryer sheets not only does that, but it states that it fights wrinkles and anti-frostage, and also it reduces the static. Like, if you don't want like wrinkles on your sheets or clothes, then that's what it's supposed to be doing. And not just that, but it gives and provides a better smell to your dryer of your clothes. And like it mentions here, it says 200 sheets, so it comes with 200 of them. Now on the bottom of here, it states pretty much all the do's and the hazard and all that stuff. But yeah, the main key points that I do want to talk about in this in general is that it says for best results, use large loads and 3 sheets. Then it states that medium loads and 2 sheets. Then small loads, if you're doing small loads, then use 1 sheet. So large ones use 3 sheets, medium is 2 sheets, and then for a small load, nothing too big, is for 1 sheet. Now that's one of the things that I wanted to show you guys to keep in mind about. But yeah, this product, like I mentioned to you guys before, I use this for my dryer. So we have for a separate one for the washer. This one I use mainly for the dryer, and that's what it's intended for. But yeah, what it does, the quality is amazing. Like it does the job like what it's intended. So it makes the dryer smell good, and the clothes, when you take them out, they smell very nice. It gives a good scent to it. It smells very good. And also, not just that, it keeps it from fights the wrinkles. So the clothes, it doesn't have like wrinkles like you get from if you use something else. But yeah, like I mentioned before, I've been using this for quite some time now, and I would definitely recommend this product if you're looking for something that gives a good scent to your dryer. Then this one is probably one of the best ones that you could get.